So do you also run Instagram lead ads to generate new leads for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to add Instagram lead ads details in Notion automatically. So here let's suppose that I am an owner of a real estate agency and I receive a lot of leads through Instagram lead ads. So now manually managing all the leads at one place is very time consuming and difficult task. So now I've planned to automate the entire process. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through Instagram lead ad, then automatically the lead received should be added as a new detail in my Notion database. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Instagram lead ad with my Notion account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So I run a real estate agency and I use Instagram lead ads to attract potential clients, and it's important to keep track of these leads efficiently. So now by automatically adding the Instagram lead ads details to Notion, I can instantly organize all incoming leads including their names, contact information and property preferences in one central place. This means if someone fills out a form showing interest in a new apartment listing, their details are saved directly in Notion. It helps me quickly follow up, manage leads better and ensure I don't miss any potential buyers. This automation saves me time, keeps my workflow organized and helps me convert more leads into happy clients. So now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Instagram lead ad with my Notion account using an automation software. And now firstly here in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation that I've already built. But now here before moving forward with this working, let me tell you that I've already connected my Instagram account with my Facebook page which is named as Prime Properties. And here I'm running a test campaign where I've connected my Facebook page and my lead gen form, that is my Instagram lead ad. Okay, so now we are going to see the working of this amazing automation by simply making a form submission over here. So here I'm going to generate a test lead by submitting this form using lead ads testing tool by Meta. So here you can see I've already pre-filled some details over here, that is type of property you're interested in, first name as demo, last name as user, email, phone number, street address, city, state and the zip code. So now here I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. That means we have successfully generated a test lead in an Instagram lead ad form. So now let's go and check our Notion account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have received a successful detail over here with the first name, last name, email, phone number, type of property and the city. So with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. Now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing automation by simply connecting your Instagram lead ad with your Notion database using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as add Instagram lead ads details in Notion automatically. And now here after giving the name it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see all the folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this Create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Instagram lead ads, as I am receiving new leads through Instagram lead ads. So Instagram lead ads are a type of ad that lets businesses collect information from potential customers directly within Instagram. When users clicks on the ad, they see a form where they can easily provide their contact details or answer questions without leaving the app. So here in my Instagram lead ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever we're going to receive new lead through Instagram lead ad, then instantly and automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here to connect my Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Instagram lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the page and the lead gen form. So here I've already shown you the page that I've already connected with my Instagram account with the name Prime Properties. So here I'm going to select my page as Prime Properties, and now here after selecting my page, here it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So here for the lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Ads Manager, and here you can see the form name that I've already connected in my campaign with the name lead form new. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my lead gen form as lead form new. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now here after selecting my page on the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And now you have to click on the save and send test request. You can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Instagram lead ad. So here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool by Meta. And now here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So I'm going to click on this delete lead. And then I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. And now here again in this lead ads testing tool, you can see it is asking me to select the page and the form. So I'm going to select my page which is named as Prime Properties and my form as lead form new. And now here to generate a new test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form given over here. Again here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the type of property you're interested in, I'm going to select rental property. Here I'm going to enter the first name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy@pabblytunes.com. Here for the phone number, I'm going to enter random phone number. Here for the street address, I'm going to enter 123, city as Bhopal, state as Madhya Pradesh. Here for the country, I'm going to select the country as India, and then I'm going to enter a zip code. And then I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the type of property, first name, last name, email, phone number, street address, city, state, zip code, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through Instagram lead ad, then automatically I want to add the details in my Notion database. So for that, I need to connect my Notion with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as Notion. So Notion is an all-in-one productivity tool that helps people organize their work and personal lives. It combines features like note-taking, task management, databases, and calendars into one platform, making it easy to keep track of everything in one place. So here in my Notion action step, I'm going to select my action event task, create database item, so that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through Instagram lead ad, then automatically a new item should be created for that lead in my Notion database. And now here to connect my Notion with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Notion account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Notion. And here you can see Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access. So here I'm going to click on the select pages, and then I'm going to select all the pages as I don't want to leave any of the database. And now here after selecting the pages, I'm going to click on this allow access and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the type of property, phone number, first name, last name, city, email, and some other details. So basically these are the fields that I've entered in my Notion database. So now here instead of entering the details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive new lead through Instagram lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the type of property. Moving forward, here I'm going to map my lead's phone number. Here I'm going to map the first name. Here I'm going to map the last name, city, and email. And after that it is asking me for the content field. So here this field is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added new details in our Notion database for the new lead received through our Instagram lead ad. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have received a successful detail where we have received the first name, last name, email, phone number, type of property, and the city. So with this, we have successfully set up this entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Instagram lead ads and our action as Notion, so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through Instagram lead ad, then automatically the lead detail is going to be added in our Notion database as a new row. Okay, so these were the steps to how to add Instagram lead ads details in Notion automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.